Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science class. Today we are going to discuss about the third assignment of your history of lab manual. Like the previous assignment only, this assignment is also based on your NCERT books chapter. This assignment 3 is based on chapter number 3 of your NCERT, that is nationalism in India. So just like the previous assignment, you have to go through the questions and you have to solve them on the basis of the third chapter of your history book. So let's see the questions which are given over here. Question number 1, some events and some informations are given over here. Like the question is, read the given information and answer the following questions. So some informations are given over here. You have to answer or you have to write the answer on the basis of these information. Such as in point number 1, it is written, the act was passed in 1919. It authorized the government to imprison people without trial. So you have to write the name of the act, about which act it is talking about. Okay, in the same way, all the 6 questions you have to solve. Now in question number 2, it is written, what is the importance of the following dates in the history of India? Write in 1 or 2 lines. So some years are given over here. 8 years are given over here. 8 different years are given over here. You have to write what important events took place in these years in the history of Indian nationalism. Okay. You have to write the answer in short because the space provided over here is very less. You have to write these information on the base of this on basis of these years in very short, in 1 or 2 line only. Next, question number 3. It is a picture based question. Identify the freedom fighter and answer the given question. We all know whose picture is given in question number 3. You have to identify the picture and you have to solve the 5 questions which are given here. Question number 4 is again a picture based question. Identify the freedom fighter and answer the given question. You have to identify the picture given in question number 4 and you have to solve the 3 questions given over here. Next, question number 5 is a map based question. On the given political map of India, mark the following. Number 1, Champaran. Number 2, Bardoli. Number 3, Chauri Chaura. Number 4, Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh, you have to locate the place where the Jallianwala Bagh is situated or located. Okay. Number 5, the place where International Congress session was held in 1929. Number 6, the place where Gandhiji took the cause of the indigo planters. The city from where the Dandi March began. A state where peasant communities actively participated in the civil disobedience movement. A place associated with the cotton mill workers. And lastly, peasant satyagraha Kheda. Map is already given here in your lab manual only. You have to do this map work in this particular map only, and please solve the map with a pencil. Don't do the map work with pen. Okay. Next, question number 6. See the given picture carefully and answer the following question. A picture is given in question number 6 of an event. You have to identify the event and you have to solve the 2 questions based on this picture. Next, in question number 7, see the given figure carefully and answer the following questions. A picture is provided to you, a figure is shown in this picture. You have to identify the figure and you have to solve the 3 questions based on this figure. Next, question number 8 is a multiple choice question. You have to tick the correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi's picture is shown here. So all the 5 questions of multiple choice question are based on Mahatma Gandhi's activities of nationalism. So you have to solve these MCQs. You have to tick the correct answer. Now question number 9 is also a map work. In the given political outline map of India, are marked 6 historical places. Identify these features with the help of following information and write their correct names. Okay, so this map work is quite easier than the map work earlier you have seen in question number 5. Okay, in question number 5 you have to locate the places also, and you have to write the names also. But in question number 9, places are located for you. You just have to identify the place, and you have to write the name of the correct place. You have to write the correct name of the place. Okay, so Jallianwala Bagh, where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? A march. Okay, the place related to a march. Movement of indigo planters, where did the movement of indigo planters took place? The peasant struggle, Champaran. Okay, where did a peasant struggle took place? Next, session of INC, 1927. Where did the session of Indian National Congress took place in 1927? Okay, lastly comes up a project. Here two pictures are given over here. Number 1 is of B.R. Ambedkar, number 2 is of Mahatma Gandhi. Now the question is, carefully study the given pictures and identify the persons. With the help of examples, write at least 6 morals, economic, social values you have learned from their life. Okay, we all know these two personalities. We have to identify their names, and we have to write about some morals, some social economic uh, values and morals which we have learned from their name, from their entire life. Okay, now you have to write 6 points for B.R. Ambedkar sir and 6 points for Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, and yes, up to this only your assignment was there. All these questions you will be simply able to solve from your textbook by taking help from your textbook only. Please go through chapter number 3 of your textbook, that is Nationalism in India. You will be getting help from that chapter quite nicely. Okay, and all these answers are easily available over there. I hope this video is helpful for you people. Thank you.